Hey guys, welcome back to Actress Approved. I am Julie Montgomery Brown, and today we are going to be doing Empties. I'm completely psyched because almost all of these products I totally loved. I'm not going to necessarily buy every one of them again, but a lot of them I am. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I wanted to talk to you about, this is a Caudalie. It's called Elixir Beauty. It's this sort of aromatherapy spray, and it's, oh, yum. It smells so good. You can use it, well, there's two things you can use it for. You can use it to kind of set your makeup, which I love. It smells really, really good. It's got a very clean, fresh, kind of spa-like scent to it. And it's great for setting your makeup. So once you put all your makeup on, if you just spray it around, it sort of sets it. The other thing that I love it for, as you can see, it's in this little travel size. And I take this when I travel. So it's great when you're on a plane and you just sort of have that grimy feeling, and especially if you've been on a long flight, you can just spritz this all over you and you just instantly feel refreshed. It's also good to sort of spray around you in the seat in case there's somebody not so desirable sitting next to you. Okay, now the next thing that I want to go through is actually a travel size as well. This is my Coco Madmoiselle little travel canister. This thing is so clever. You probably can't see inside. They sell these, they sell them in a 3-pack. It's for Coco Madmoiselle. I think that they have them, I'm sure they must have them in a lot of their other scents as well. And you just pop the little canister in there, and then you put this top on and you twist it. It comes up. I should actually probably have had one in here so you could see, but it's great. So you take the canister out when you are going through security and you just pop it in your liquids bag. But it's if you're not checking a bag. But this thing is great, and I love the fact that Chanel sells a 3-pack. I wish every perfume that I use would sell a travel size, because I'm always traveling, and there's so many fragrances that I love, but I'm just not going to take them with me because they're bulky and heavy, and and I think some of them aren't even 100 mil. So and I almost never check a bag, so if I can avoid it. But anyway, these are super great. If you like Chanel fragrances, and any of the main ones, I'm sure they do it for 19. I bet you I'm sure they do it for number 5. But the next time you're in a airport duty free, check it out, because that's where they usually keep them. But Coco Madmoiselle, they definitely do it. And I don't think I've ever seen the travel pack in a regular department store. So I would say you probably have to find it, in an airport the next time you go. Since we're talking about Coco Madmoiselle, this is my super luxurious body cream. Oh, I loved this stuff so much. I cannot even tell you. It's my second pot of it. It still smells. This is the best body cream. It's so luxurious. It's not greasy. It's just one of those really thick, luxurious body creams. And look at the packaging. I love the packaging. Chanel does the best packaging. It's all luxury, and it's just this beautiful pot. This is my second one. I will definitely be buying another one of these. Okay, let's talk about my beloved Tata Harper. I love Tata Harper so much. I love all of her products. This one is the Purifying Cleanser. I use this one. Oh yeah, that smells really good. I use this in the morning, or I use it as my second cleanse at night after I've taken off my makeup. I'm gonna tell you something, I'm probably not gonna buy this one again. I am completely addicted to her oil cleanser, which is amazing. But this, I really liked it, but I didn't feel like it was necessary. Do you know what I mean? And yeah, this is the Pore Refining Daily Detox Wash. It's lovely. It's super nice, but I'm not going to buy it again. But I am going to keep the bottle. Okay, moving right along, quickly, because this could end up being like the longest video ever. Okay, these are 2 little travel sizes of Fibrology, LOreal, Elvive. So I've got the conditioner and the shampoo. I loved these products. They're super well priced. I mean, yeah, you just get them in the drugstore. But they gave my hair a lot of thickness, and you know, I have massive volume issues with my hair all the time. But these gave them really good texture and lots of volume. I will definitely buy a full size of these. I am gonna say I might even like it more than my Kerastase Volumizer, which is kind of saying something, because that's a pretty good volume shampoo and conditioner. But anyway, so Elvive, L'Oreal, Fibrology, absolutely fantastic, great budget brand volume shampoo. Now, since we're talking hair, this is an amazing product. This is called Olaplex. My hairdresser turned me onto this. This is, you put it in your hair when you've just gotten it a little bit wet when you're in the shower. And then you let it sit there, you know, you do all your other stuff, and then you shampoo and conditioner after it. Okay, volume, texture, you name it, this is a fantastic product. This is my 3rd one that I've gone through. I am definitely gonna purchase another one. I absolutely love this stuff. Yeah, I'm sorry, I've got some mascara on my finger. Anyway, definitely gonna get this again. Fantastic for baby fine, thin hair, you know, any kind of hair that just kind of does this, like it just kind of flops, like what my hair is doing right now. Okay, now let's go to some skin care stuff. So this is just a little travel size thing that my aunt gave me that she had. This is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is a serum. I don't think there's anything left in here. Let's see. No, this is actually, okay, so this is like an old workhorse. Everybody has seen this serum. Everybody has, you know, at some point or other used it. It's actually really good. I really liked it. I had never used it before. Of course, I've always seen the bottle. The bottle's been around, I'm not kidding. I think I first saw it when at my grandmother's house, like 40 years ago or something. But it actually works, and it's really good. I think that they've revised the formula a couple of times since that in the last 40 years. But it's really good. It's not that expensive, and so if you want a serum that's just kind of a workhorse, nothing fancy, just something that gives you a little glow and is, you know, just something nice that your makeup sits on, I would go for it. I'm not gonna buy it again, but if somebody gave me one, like my aunt gave me this one, I would totally use it. And I did use this entire thing, so that was great. Speaking of Estee Lauder, I love all these segues I'm doing. It's really amazing. Anyway, okay, so this is an Estee Lauder. This is all that's left. This is a Longwear eye pencil. I absolutely love these eye pencils. They are one of the few eye pencils that don't, when I put them in the waterline, that do not make my eyes water. I am allergic to most eye pencils, but this one is absolutely brilliant. I love it. It does not come off. This is what's great about it. It glides on really well, and then it just stays put. So for an eye pencil, if you need an eye pencil and you have sensitive eyes, or even if you don't have sensitive eyes, but you want an eye pencil that really has some staying power, Longwear Estee Lauder eye pencil. It's awesome. I bet I've had at least 20 of these things. I love these things. Okay, so now, another segue. This is Charlotte Tilbury liquid liner. I have bought a million of these as well. I really, really, really like this. It's got sort of a, like, if you can see it, a felt pen. Yeah, it gives you a great flick. It's super easy. I don't like to, the thing about eyeliners, liquid liners, yeah, I just like them to be super easy, you know? And this one is super easy. I can almost do it. I could probably do it right now, use this while I'm looking at you and not even have to look in a mirror. I'm not going to, but I could do that. It's super easy. You just feel the top of your where your lashes start and just run it along there, and it gives a great flick. I really like it. I'm sure that there are cheaper brands out there, but you know, I do like Charlotte Tilbury. I think that she has amazing products. I don't love all of them. I mean, I guess no brand would you love all of their products, but this is a good one. And I have bought this again. Yeah, I've bought this several times again, but I am gonna look for maybe a drugstore brand that's a little bit cheaper. I'm guessing that the drugstore brands are not going to last as long because this actually really lasts a really long time. But I'm gonna search something out and see if I can find something. It might be, I'm thinking Max Factor. I think Max Factor or maybe Maybelline. They might have some as well. Liquid liners. Anyway, okay, moving right along. This is an eyebrow pencil, which I'm realizing I completely forgot to do my eyebrows today. I always forget to do my eyebrows. I don't know why. I know everybody's obsessed with eyebrows these days, but I don't get the whole eyebrow. Yeah, I don't get the whole eyebrow thing these days. Maybe it's my age. It could be, but I like light eyebrows, and so this was recommended to me. This is in Fling. I don't know if you can see that or not. This was first used on me on Hollyoaks, which yeah, is a soap opera here in the UK, and I loved this thing because it twists up. I don't know if you can see that. It twists, well, it's empty now, so obviously you can't see that, but it twists up and it gives you, it just ever so lightly fills in your brows. So you could make it heavier, but what I like about this is that it makes them light and it just fills them in really nicely, but lightly. So you don't look like, you know, Joan Crawford, which for some reason everybody wants to look like Joan Crawford these days with those big brows that everybody is sporting. I don't get it. Anyway, okay, now moving right along. This is Lab Dry Shampoo. I am not 100% sure if you can get this in the US. You can definitely get it here in the UK. This is, yeah, see, there's nothing left in here. I love dry shampoo as a volumizer. So I use dry shampoo every single day, but I don't use it for what it says you use it for, which is to make dirty hair clean. I use it for volume. This is, yeah, this is in the scent Unicorn. Not really sure why that would be a scent, but perhaps I'm missing something. I don't know. But anyway, I do like her products. This is Ruth Crilly from A Model Recommends. She, yeah, she works hard on this thing, and she also has done an extra volumizing one, I think, recently, which I'll be keen to try. The thing I like about her stuff is that it smells really, really good. Even the Unicorn smells really good. But she has a bunch of different scents. They smell really good, and there's no white residue, which I don't really mind the white residue because I usually just brush it out. It makes me feel like something's going on, is actually, you know, going onto my hair, but the texture is really good. Like I said, I'll be curious to try her extra volume one, because this I like, but I would like it to be a little bit stronger. So I think that that's what she's done. Okay, this is, yeah, I just put this in because it is empty and I have used the whole thing. So then I thought, well, I don't know if everybody can find this. I'm pretty sure you can't find this in the United States. This I got from Waitrose, which is our main grocery store here in the UK. I love this stuff. This is, okay, so this is Sleep Therapy Bath Soak, and it's Senspa. I'll just show it to you anyway. Maybe you can find it somewhere. This is an absolutely brilliant product. This is yeah, I got it at the grocery store. I had no expectations of it at all, but it's brilliant bath bubbles. Love this stuff. And you know, it's very aromatherapy. You just feel like all of your, you know, sinuses have opened up, and it's so relaxing, and it costs practically nothing. I can't even remember. I think it was like £3, maybe £4 or something. But it was, yeah, I love this stuff, and I'm definitely gonna buy it again. Okay, so I'm on to my last thing. This is the Roche-Posay. I mean, everybody has heard of these or used them. This is number 50 sunblock. I really like this stuff. It's, I like it, it works. It does not break me out. There's a little bit left in here, so I'll show it to you. It's not too greasy, and it's got a, you know, it has a hint of a smell, but it's not, it doesn't break me out. And that's the main thing, because I break out a lot with a lot of different stuff. If something's not the right texture, or it's got, you know, some kind of funky ingredients in it, usually I'll break out. But this does not make me break out. It's not greasy. It really, really stays on. This is number 50. It's also good, you can see, it's good for travel. It's not too bulky or anything. You can easily stick this in your liquids bag, and you really can't go wrong with La Roche-Posay. That's a fantastic brand. Everything they do has fantastic ingredients. They do a lot of research, and yeah, it's a French brand, and usually those are pretty good. But yeah, this I'm definitely gonna buy again. I am trying another sun cream right now. I'm gonna do a video on sun creams, and oh, my friend asked me to do a video on self tanners, which I thought was a great idea, because yeah, of course, we're getting into spring, or we're in spring, and we're getting into the summer. So that would actually be a really good thing to do. Anyway, so that is my sun cream. That's my Empties, guys. And now this is empty. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope that was not too boring. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later on. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch up with you later. Ciao.